All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to This Explainer, where we're going to expose 10 dangerous money lies that are quite literally keeping you broke. If you've ever felt like you're just spinning your wheels when it comes to building wealth, well, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're drawing on some seriously powerful insights to shift you into a proactive investor mindset and break down exactly what's been holding you back.
Have you ever just stopped and wondered, what if the biggest reason you, or maybe people you know, struggle financially actually has nothing to do with the lack of hard work? What if, instead, it's all because of unquestioned, inherited lies about money? We internalize these beliefs without ever really challenging them, and before we know it, they turn into these invisible walls completely blocking our financial progress.
So where do these toxic beliefs even come from? Well, they certainly don't just appear out of thin air. They're passed down for generations by society at large, they get echoed by our friends in casual conversation, and honestly, this is the most dangerous part, they are so often taught to us by people who are completely broke themselves. It's the ultimate case of the blind leading the blind. We're out here taking financial advice from folks who haven't achieved financial success, and then we scratch our heads wondering why we aren't succeeding either.
Man, looking at modern finance, it's like staring at a giant chaotic knot, right? That is the exact web of confusion you get trapped in when you never question the money myths you've been fed. Everything feels overly complicated, super stressful, and just impossible to untangle. But here's the real secret. Once you start snipping away at those lies, the whole picture becomes incredibly clear. Okay, Section 1, Unlearning Toxic Money Beliefs. We are going to look at the psychological barriers keeping you broke.
Let's hit the very first big lie we've all heard a million times: money is evil. People say this all the time, don't they? But the reality is, money itself has absolutely no moral compass. It's not evil, it's just a tool that simply amplifies who you already are. It doesn't have a personality. If you're a good person, having more money just gives you the power to help more people and do more good in the world. If someone's a bad person, sure, they might misuse it. But the money, it's just a tool, like a hammer. You can use a hammer to build a beautiful house, or you can use it to smash a window.
Then there's this massive excuse that stops people from even trying. The idea that you need to be born rich. Look, the reality is that so many wealthy people started with absolutely nothing. What matters most isn't where you start. Your starting line doesn't dictate your finish line. What actually matters is what you learn and the decisions you consistently make over time. And hey, speaking of what you learn, there's a really dangerous misconception floating around that school guarantees financial success. Look, don't get me wrong, general education is incredibly valuable, but school alone, it does not guarantee wealth. Financial education is an entirely different skill set. You have to actively go out and seek financial literacy because, let's be honest, traditional schools simply do not teach us how money actually works.
Moving right along to Section 2, the illusion of being rich. Let's break down some visual deceptions.
We constantly fall into the trap of assuming that a high salary makes you rich. Have you ever known someone who brings in thousands of dollars every single month, yet somehow they're still completely broke? How does that even happen? Well, it's because income alone is not wealth. You can make 200 grand a year, but if your spending simply rises to match it, that classic trap of lifestyle creep, literally nothing changes. You're just running on a much more expensive treadmill.
Which brings us right to the assumption that more stuff means more success. We see the expensive clothes, the luxury cars, the designer bags all over social media, and we instantly think, wow, they made it. But the truth, those things do not always equal wealth. Very often, they just mean crippling debt. Real wealth is usually incredibly quiet. It's tucked away in investment accounts and real estate, not splashed in logos across a designer belt.
Now here's a crucial reality check. We have to untangle the belief that money will solve all your problems. Let's be crystal clear about this. Money solves money problems. It pays the rent, it buys the groceries, it covers those unexpected medical bills, but it absolutely does not automatically create happiness, peace, or purpose. And that is exactly why understanding money matters so much more than worshiping it. It's a foundational piece of your life, sure, but it isn't the entire building.
All right, Section 3. The mechanics of real wealth. We're going to talk about building a proactive, system-driven mindset.
So the very first step here is realizing that the old advice of saving money alone is a complete myth. Now, saving your money is absolutely important, don't get me wrong, but money sitting completely still, it doesn't grow. In fact, it actually loses its purchasing power over time thanks to inflation. To build real, lasting wealth, your money has to grow through assets, investments, and ownership. You've got to take that hard-earned, saved money and literally put it to work for you. Oh, and this brings us to literally one of the biggest lies ever told. Investing is only for rich people. This one belief keeps so many people sidelined. Investing is not some exclusive velvet rope VIP club that you can only enter once you're already rich. No, investing early is exactly how average people become wealthy in the first place. It is the #1 vehicle to escape being broke.
But to get there, you've got to make a massive shift. You have to stop being a passive consumer who's just confused by money and start taking real charge of your financial education. Becoming an educated, proactive investor means you are building a tangible system for growth. It's all about actively charting your own path upwards instead of just letting the financial currents push you around wherever they want.
And part of that growth is busting the myth that rich people don't work hard. This is such a huge misunderstanding. Many wealthy people work extremely hard, but there's a vital difference in what they're actually working hard on. They aren't just trading their precious time for an hourly wage forever. Instead, they work hard to build systems, like businesses, investment portfolios, automated cash flows, that eventually work for them, even while they're fast asleep.
Listen, you literally cannot wait to start building those systems, because falling into the trap of thinking I have plenty of time is incredibly dangerous. Think about it. You delay learning about money for a month. Then you delay building your skills for a year. You delay investing for 5 years. And before you know it, a whole decade has just vanished. Time is genuinely one of the most valuable financial assets you possess. Once it's gone, there's no amount of money that can buy it back.
Finally, Section 4, Shaping Your Financial Future. Let's look at the sheer power of adopting new beliefs.
I want to let this really sink in for a second. The most dangerous lies are the ones people never question, because beliefs shape decisions and decisions shape your financial future. This right here is the core insight we've been building towards during this whole explainer. Shedding these 10 myths, it isn't just about winning some financial trivia game, it's the absolute mandatory first step to actually building wealth. If your beliefs are wrong, your decisions will be wrong, period. But if you fix your beliefs today, your future decisions are going to lead you exactly where you want to go.
So I want to leave you with this final vital question. What is your next financial move? Now that you actually know the lies that have been holding you back, what action are you going to take today to step into the truth? The path to financial clarity is sitting right in front of you. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and honestly, I cannot wait to see the incredible systems you start building.